In this video, I want to talk about this Power Smart Snowblower, and we're going to do it right now. So this company, Power Smart, reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review one of their snowblowers. And my snowblower, it's pretty old, and I seem to have an issue with it just about every year, whether it's not running or the tires. There's just a whole bunch of problems with it. So I said, yeah, I will try it out for sure, as long as I can offer my audience a discount. So if you are interested in a snowblower and you watch this video and you think it's something you would like, it's for sale on Amazon, and I was able to get 5% off. So if you are in the market, I would definitely recommend this. I don't recommend anything that I wouldn't personally use. So let's take a look at it. So this is a 212 cc snowblower. That's the engine size. This opening is 24 inches by 20 tall, and it's a two-stage snowblower, which means you have an auger here and an auger back here. It doesn't just have one. And this is all metal. There's no plastic parts in here. It even comes with new shear pins. It has an electric start, but if you don't feel like running an extension cord out, it obviously has the pull start. This is a metal gas tank, which I've seen plastic ones and they get brittle and they end up actually leaking. So that's nice to see that it's metal. This is a 212 cc 4-stroke engine, which means you don't have to worry about mixing oil with the gas. You can put regular gas right in there. With a 2-stroke, you have to mix it. 13-inch wheels. I love the controls. This is nice and easy to change, and it locks right in. 2 reverse speeds and 6 forward speeds. And then it has the adjustable chute to determine how far you want to throw the snow and which direction. And then it has obviously the one here that you can change the direction, and you can adjust that with this spring here to make it more loose and more tight. So this thing was shipped right to my door in a box, and I had to put it together, but it was probably like 15 minutes to make it really easy to put together. So before I show you this thing in action, that's what I'm going to do. I'll show you how to easily put this thing together. Okay, so this is how it's shipped. Looks like it's in good shape. I'm going to open it up, put it together. There we go. Drag it out. Instructions. Always good to read the instructions. Put the wheels on. These little spring things up before I attach this handle. sits in there. Let's go with that. Now all I gotta do is fill it with oil and gas. So it even comes with oil. And if you're wondering the amount, it says in the manual 20 ounces, which just so happens is this whole bottle. Okay. Add gas. So you gotta make sure this is in to start it. This is how you stop it, and you can make it so nobody can start it. So push that in, open the throttle up, and I'm going to prime it a couple times. Is that a little bit? Here's my thoughts. Thing is pretty cool. It is powerful. Now, this snow, we had a pretty warm day today, so this snow is pretty heavy, and obviously, you know, using the snowblower on the ground isn't the best thing, but it threw snow way over here with no problem whatsoever. But like I said, this stuff is really packed in there, as you can see, and it still pushed through it, but I'm guessing on the driveway it would do an awesome job. So here's a good test. This stuff is thick and heavy. Let's see how it does. I'd say that's a pretty good test right there. This stuff is pretty heavy. I had to work it back and forth a little bit, but it got through. It's pretty tall. A little ice on the bottom, but yeah, I am impressed with that thing. It's awesome. So this is nice and easy to change. I love this. My old one, which is over here, is really stubborn. And then this thing to control the chute, I absolutely love, because the other one I had to bend down and move it manually. I did notice this moved around a little bit when I was using it from the vibrations, like I thought. So I tightened this up, and I think it's going to break in, but it's just a little shaky. But the thing is once you move it like that, it's in that gear, it'll stay there. Same with that and that. So it's not too bad at all. And these blades really do just cut through the snow. I can't wait to get a storm. It's funny enough to test it out on my driveway. Overall, I am impressed. So if you're in the market for a snowblower, I do recommend this Power Smart Snowblower. It's a great price, and with the discount, I'll leave a link in the description. So thanks for watching. If you want to see some of my other videos, you can click here-ish and here-ish and check those out. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely consider it. If you liked what you saw, I have a ton of videos, so hit that red button and follow along. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.